How do ILIT, GRAT, and SLAT irrevocable trusts work? Imagine protecting your assets and reducing taxes while ensuring your loved ones are taken care of. That's where these special trusts come into play. They are powerful tools in estate planning, but how exactly do they work? Let's break down each one. First up is the Irrevocable Life Insurance Trust, or ILIT. This trust holds your life insurance policy. When you transfer the policy into the trust, the death benefit is no longer part of your taxable estate. That means less estate tax when you pass away. You can either transfer an existing policy or have the trust buy a new one. Once transferred, you cannot change or reclaim the policy. The trust is managed by a trustee who follows your instructions on how to distribute the death benefit to your heirs. ILITs are especially useful if your estate is large and life insurance could push it over the tax exemption limit. Next is the Grantor Retained Annuity Trust, or GRAT. With a GRAT, you put assets into the trust, usually ones expected to grow fast. You then get to receive fixed annuity payments from the trust for a set period. The key is that you keep the right to receive these payments, but the trust owns the assets. At the end of the trust term, any growth above a certain IRS interest rate passes to your beneficiaries free of gift and estate taxes. If the assets don't grow faster than the IRS rate, you get your original assets back with no tax consequences. GRATs work best when interest rates are low and assets have strong growth potential. Finally, the Spousal Lifetime Access Trust, or SLAT. This trust is created by one spouse for the benefit of the other spouse and possibly children. You transfer assets into the SLAT, which is managed by a trustee. The spouse who created the trust can still receive income or principal during their lifetime. The assets are not part of your estate, which can lower estate taxes. SLATs let married couples use their gift and estate tax exemptions fully. They also provide asset protection and flexibility in how wealth is distributed over time. In practical terms, ILITs are great for managing estate taxes when life insurance is a big part of your wealth. GRATs help transfer appreciating assets to heirs with minimal tax costs, especially when interest rates are low. SLATs let spouses transfer wealth while maintaining access to funds and reducing estate taxes. Each trust requires careful planning to match your financial goals and family situation. Proper setup ensures you get the benefits without unexpected tax or legal issues.